Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about how you can repair and restore your skin barrier. I've seen this trending on TikTok about how they have products they use to restore your skin barrier and everything, but it's not really in-depth and for how long you should do this. So this video is going to be more of like an in-depth video. I do suggest this for sensitive or dry skin, but it will work for normal skin as well. Also too, I do say that this will help with acne prone skin because when I started this, I was breaking out really bad around my mouth, and it just helps calm that down and get rid of the acne scars. So what happens is my skin will get really oily, but not in a good way. It'll just overproduce the oils and then it will just dry out. And since I was driving cross country, through all those states, different environments, different types of water, when I had to stay overnight, really just sucked the life out of my skin. So the first step that you need to do, and it's probably one of the most important, is to get off that dead layer of skin. Now, the products aren't going to absorb no matter what you use if there's just a layer of dead skin on your face. And it might not even feel like you have any like rough patches or dead skin. It just feels like really dry. Still, you gotta exfoliate. But do not use a physical exfoliator. Use a chemical or gel exfoliator. This is a Japanese gel exfoliator. It is not a regret purchase because it has worked so well and it's natural. So usually chemical exfoliators use AHA or BHA, but this natural exfoliator is much more gentle, and especially if your skin is going through a lot. Keep in mind, you're not going to want to exfoliate your skin every day, every other day. Just do it once to begin this whole skin barrier routine. So I use a hefty amount of this and I just exfoliate all parts of my face, making sure the dead skin comes off. So this is really important to do this once and to do it thoroughly. Take your time, really be there, each part of your face, exfoliating off all the dead skin. Don't do it quick. Take your time as if you were to give yourself a facial, and then you will see that there's a new layer of skin underneath that's ready for product. Once you have exfoliated your skin, you want to go in with a foam cleanser. I was before using this gel cleanser, but it was just drying out my skin. I really suggest you get a self-pumping foam cleanser, especially this one. This is the Cal brand soap I mentioned a lot. It's a gentle cleanser that's going to clean your skin, but it's not the end of the world if you try to keep using the same cleanser. I just really suggest the results will be faster if you switch to a self-foaming cleanser morning and night. It's gentle, it's effective, and it's not going to dry out your skin more and not irritate the skin barrier further than other cleansers might. So you don't have to permanently do this. Just make sure when you're doing this routine to switch to a foam cleanser. Now this part is really important because once you've exfoliated and you've been cleansing your face very thoroughly, you want to fix that skin barrier. Now usually I suggest toners, always essences to pat into your skin, but in this routine, since we are trying to gently work off the dead skin as well, I suggest to put this on a cotton pad. Now this is the Propolis Synergy Toner, and it's supposed to have a lot of really good ingredients for your skin, but the main ingredient in here is honey extract. Now honey is such a wonderful, magical skincare ingredient that I think is so slept on. Well, maybe not slept on, but it is there to really help to heal your skin. This toner I like in particular because it's not so sticky, and when you rub downwards with it, it's going to take off that layer of dead skin, but the honey ingredient is going to be the first thing that touches your skin to help heal it. So this one is from COSRX, which is a really good Korean skincare brand that makes stuff prone for acne skin as well. So I do suggest this for a regular toner if you do have acne prone skin. But as far as if you want to repair the skin barrier, this is a really good toner to use in that emergency case. Okay, so the next step, it's really easy. So this is going to be only 2 more steps, but the next step is another very important. So the toner, what you got to do, and then you got to pat in this very sticky essence. So this is also by COSRX. This is the Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence, and you've probably seen this. What you want to do is after you have put on the honey toner and it has completely dried, you have to touch your skin and make sure that it is feeling like nothing's on it. Go in with the snail essence. Now it's going to feel so weird at first when you start using this product. You may not like it, but it works. So what you want to do is put it in your hands, gently pull apart, you'll see that sliminess, and then pat it into your skin. So this Snail ingredient essence, since it is kind of slimy, will take a little bit more time to completely set into your skin. How it will feel after it is completely set into your skin is almost like a matte, tacky finish, and that's when you are ready to go in with the moisturizer. The moisturizer that I've been using is the E-Nature Birch Juice Hydro Cream. This is a Korean skincare brand. It was new to me, so I just started to use this because it's almost like a scentless, very pure moisturizer, and it is the right consistency. So no matter which moisturizer you use, I'm not saying to just use this one, but you need to use a consistency like this one. So I suggest the Cetaphil cleanser if you can't find this. After you have made sure the Snail essence has completely dry, go in with this moisturizer and do a pretty generous amount. The thing is, don't just slob it on your face. Take your finger and dot it all over your face so it's even, and put one layer on it. If your skin is really dry, do another layer. So that is important as well, because once all of these two, the honey and the Snail essence, have set, you need to lock it with a creamy moisturizer. There's a lot of, like, I'm not sure the saying of it, but it's the Aqua, and it's to set it with like an ointment your skin. I've tried that many times when my skin is really dry to fix the barrier, but it just does not work, especially if you have sensitive skin. It will irritate the skin more. A heavy ointment gel is not necessarily the key to repairing dry skin. What's really the key is layering products with an ingredient in it that's going to help repair the skin barrier. So that being said, the last step is to get just a cream moisturizer that's lightweight, easy setting, but will seal the honey and the Snail essence. So I do that, and then you just completely let it dry. If it's at night, just go to sleep, and soon, over a week or so, you will see your skin will start to repair. If it's in the morning time, I do suggest before you apply makeup, or you want to just leave a bare skin, to use a sunscreen, of course. It's not a quick fix type of routine. It takes time. And the first 3 or 4 days, I'm like, okay, these products aren't going to really work for my skin. I should just go back to doing what I usually do. So I tried that, and it just wasn't absorbing. I then was continuing on for a week or so straight with this routine, and I saw that it slowly started to heal my skin. The noticeable difference you'll feel if you stick to it consistently for a routine is that your skin, again, you'll wake up with it much more juicier, much more plump. Will start to get the radiance and complexion back to it, because it's healing. So just to keep in mind too, the skin will get used to things. It doesn't matter which skincare you use. If it's going through environmental changes, factors, stress, it's going to change. Sometimes there's marketed like skin set essences, serums, all that, barrier products to just fix your skin barrier overnight. Even though those might temporarily work, what you really want to focus on when you do a routine like this is to give your skin time. The most important thing is time. Using skin barrier products and repairing the skin, your skin time, not just overnight, but over a few weeks to really repair itself, to heal. If you found this video helpful, if you do have any questions, please leave it in the comments down below. In the description box, I will try to find all the links to the products that I've mentioned. Always about on my channel things that work, so this is definitely a routine I have been consistently doing, and it works 100%. So with that being said, don't forget to subscribe for more skincare videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.